So the one thing that I've done is I've put together in-class design problems, and the idea with these in-class design problems is that students will work in groups, and then I can go around and answer specific questions. So it modularizes the learning process, and that's been quite successful. The other things, or the more interesting things, is I've developed a Jeopardy-style game that keeps students involved. So there will be specific questions relating to the material, like pavement design for 200. I don't actually grade them, but it really keeps the students involved in the process. At the end of each chapter, I go over these Jeopardy problems, so that's quite good. The next thing, and this is sort of a stretch, is I use Xbox 360 video game in the class, and specifically I look at the Xbox 360 has outstanding graphics, so it's a great way to demonstrate the principles of highway engineering. But more importantly, it shows that students, that every aspect of their life is sort of a learning aspect. And even with an Xbox 360, you can learn about highway and transportation engineering just by looking at the dynamics of the program and so on. So that's worked out really well. Then I use very liberal use of YouTube videos, because almost anything you can imagine, any concept in the class, specifically I teach in transportation engineering, almost any concept you can imagine, there are YouTube videos that you can use to, again, reinforce the conceptual stuff that you're trying to convey in the class. So that's been really successful, and students enjoy sort of the breakup of the traditional lecture, because I think fundamentally it's always about keeping students engaged in the process and excited about learning. So the more you can tie it to real life experiences, I think the more effective the overall instruction is.